Hello, my friends. Lorrie here on Vancouver Island, and thank you for stopping in. This is going to be a fairly quick video. I just wanted to pop on and say thank you to all the wonderful people who made my birthday so much fun yesterday. Everybody who came up on the panel was wonderful. All of my friends stopping in to visit. It was wonderful. It was a wonderful way to spend the day, and I am so thankful that you came and spent the day with me. So that being said, I did give away some art yesterday, and I still have 4 people out of 5 who have not sent me any information. So you need to send me your address or I can't send you a prize. My email address is on my About page. I think it's in every single one of my videos except maybe my live streams because they don't automatically pick up all of the stuff that's in my descriptions. But please, yes, send me an email. So I wanted to go over who it was who won, just in case you forgot that you won a prize at my show, at my live show. So Homestead Aquarius, Robert. Chris has already sent me his email from Chris's Clever Crafts. He's already sent me his address, so he's off the hook. But the rest of you need to, like, get on the stick, man. Okay, Cosmic Cultivators, you also won a prize. I need your address or I can't send it. Farm and HVAC, you won the first prize that there was. And of course, Freehandly Made won the last one. I think I actually have your address around here somewhere, Freehandly Made, and I already know that your favorite color is purple, so I don't actually need yours. But I do need those other 3, Farm and HVAC, Cosmic Cultivators, and Homestead Aquarius. I need you guys to send me your addresses. And if you have a preference as to what kind of a piece of art that you want, I make square paintings and round paintings, and I make clocks, and I make kitchen trivets, and yeah, a few other things. I've got a couple of 3D things if you wanted something like that. But if you have a preference, let me know, and I will see what I have available that meets your needs, or a favorite color, or whatever. Just let me know. Anyway, thanks again for making my birthday fabulous. I will see you soon. Take care of yourself. Bye now.